Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make scrambled tofu, and it kind of resembles scrambled eggs. So first you're going to need some extra firm tofu, and I'm just making a small batch, so I'm not using the whole thing. So you don't want to use the juice, and I have my skillet on a medium high. So you just take your extra firm tofu and you just kind of break it up in your hands. And if you have some bigger chunks, that's fine. You can chop those up a little later with your spatula. So this recipe is really easy. So you just need some grated garlic. I just grated it in my cheese grater basically. Use about a teaspoon. It depends on how much garlic you want to use, and I use garlic powder also. You can also use onion powder based on what kind of flavor you're looking for. And I add a little bit of olive oil to mine. Some black pepper, some salt, and a very small amount of turmeric. You don't need a lot. I'm just using this much. And you sprinkle it on. And then begin your scrambling. Doesn't take very long. You're basically just trying to heat up the tofu. I will post a picture of what I eat my scrambled tofu with. I like to put it on top of tortillas with guacamole and salsa. Make kind of like a little breakfast taco, and I use it in place of the meat, and my kids actually like this too. I'm gonna turn this up a little more. And here is our scrambled tofu. It is ready to go, and I'm going to whip up some guacamole so I can make some breakfast tacos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you.